Welcome to TechSphere Podcast, everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Today we're taking a deep dive
into
how AI is making your Pixel phone even more helpful.
Get ready to be amazed.
Oh, yeah. Prepare to be wowed.
Because these aren't just your average...
Your everyday features.
Yeah.
Absolutely not. We're talking AI that helps you sift through information, clean up your audio, and even search by just circling things on your screen. It's incredible.
It's mind-blowing. And don't forget, folks,
Yes.
if you're enjoying this deep dive, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We want to spread the tech love.
Absolutely. We love having you all here.
So now we're basing our deep dive on a Google keyword blog post. It's titled 6 Ways Google AI Makes Your Pixel Even More Helpful.
Great title.
And also a YouTube video from Google called How to Use Circle to Search with #Google.
Oh, yeah, I saw that one.
It's like Google is giving us
all
the cheat codes to a more efficient life.
I love that.
Absolutely. What's really interesting to me is how these features, they're not just gimmicks, you know? These are solving real problems that people face every single day.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Let's start with Gemini.
Okay.
Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I just don't have the time or the patience
Ooh, tell me about it.
to read through these long articles or web pages.
It's tough.
It's information overload out there.
Information overload. I agree.
But here's where it gets really interesting.
Oh, I'm ready.
Gemini, Pixel's AI assistant, can actually summarize those web pages for you.
It's a game changer.
It's like having your own personal Cliff Notes. It's like pulling out the key points so you get the gist without all the scrolling.
And it's all thanks to AI. This is really a perfect example of how AI is changing the way we consume information.
Yes.
What's fascinating to me is that Gemini uses something called a large language model.
Oh, yeah.
Which is a type of AI that's been trained on a massive amount of text data.
Wow.
This allows it to, understand context and meaning in a way that, simpler summarization tools just can't,
So it's not just picking out keywords. It's actually understanding the content and presenting it in a concise way.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
It really is.
It is incredible. And it can save you
so much time.
A ton of time, especially if you're someone who needs to stay up to date on industry news or research.
Absolutely. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to stay informed, without getting bogged down in the details.
Okay, next up is a feature that I think a lot of people will appreciate.
I agree.
This one's called Audio Magic Eraser.
Oh, Audio Magic Eraser.
Have we all been there?
Oh, 100%.
Trying to record this special moment.
Yeah.
And there's this annoying background noise reading the whole thing.
It happens every time.
A barking dog, a lawnmower, traffic.
You name it.
It's always something.
It never fails.
Right. But with Audio Magic Eraser, you can literally erase those sounds from your videos.
Poof, gone.
It's like having a magic wand for audio editing. You can finally get that clean, crisp sound you were hoping for.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The AI behind this feature is pretty amazing.
It is pretty cool.
It can actually distinguish between different sound sources, so it doesn't just muffle everything, you know?
Yeah.
It identifies the unwanted noise,
Right.
and it targets it specifically, leaving the important audio intact.
So it's not like those old noise reduction tools that just made everything sound muffled and robotic.
This is the real deal. Intelligent noise removal.
This is intelligent noise removal.
Like magic.
I love it.
It is.
It is. All right, get ready for this next one because it's straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Oh, I'm intrigued.
It's called Circle to Search, and it lets you search for anything on your screen just by circling it with your finger.
Oh, that sounds futuristic.
I know, right?
Yeah.
No more switching between apps.
Yep.
No more copying and pasting.
That's awesome.
Literally just circle an image, a word, anything.
Anything.
And boom, your Pixel pulls up relevant search results.
I love that.
It's so cool.
This is a great example of how AI is making technology more intuitive and integrated into our natural behavior.
Yeah.
We instinctively point and gesture at things. And circle to search translates that into a digital action.
Wow.
It's really cool. And this intuitive approach is a big focus for developers right now. And it's something we're going to see a lot more of in the future. I guarantee it.
And to add on to what you were saying, our YouTube source tells us that this feature is available on Pixel 6 and up.
Great.
As well as the Samsung Galaxy S24 series.
Oh, wow. So with those phones, go try it out.
Absolutely. You got to check this out.
It's awesome.
It is. It's one of those features that you just have to see to believe.
I know. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. You're that good.
All All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something we can all relate to.
Okay.
Typos.
Ah, yes. The bane of our existence.
I'm a pretty fast texter,
Okay.
which unfortunately means I'm also prone to typos.
I feel that.
But thankfully, Pixel has us covered.
Yes.
With Gboard's proofread feature.
The typo terminator.
Yes. Powered by the magic of
generative AI.
Generative AI. Now, I know we've talked about AI a lot today.
We have.
But what makes generative AI so special for proofreading?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
You see, traditional spell checkers are pretty basic. They just compare your words to a dictionary and they flag anything that doesn't match.
Yeah.
But generative AI is much more sophisticated.
Right.
It can actually create new text.
Oh, wow.
Which means it can understand the context
of what you're writing and suggest corrections that are not only grammatically correct, but also make sense in the overall sentence.
So it's not just fixing misspellings. Right. It's actually helping you write more clearly and professionally.
Exactly.
Especially for emails or important documents.
Absolutely.
That's a game changer.
It is. And I think this is just the tip of the iceberg for generative AI. I mean, we're already seeing it being used for things like writing code, composing music, even creating art.
Wow.
It's truly a technology with incredible potential.
Speaking of potential, let's talk about a feature that can save you a ton of time and hassle.
I'm all ears.
Document scanner.
Document scanner.
I don't know about you, but I am terrible at keeping track of
paper documents.
Yes, the struggle is real.
Receipts, contracts, notes. They always end up scattered everywhere.
Everywhere.
But with document scanner, your Pixel phone basically turns into a portable scanner.
That's amazing.
You snap a picture of any document, and it converts it into a neat and tidy PDF.
I love that. No more bulky scanners taking up space on your desk.
No more.
Plus the AI in Document Scanner, it's smart enough to automatically crop and adjust the image.
Right.
So you get a perfectly readable PDF every time.
It's perfect for expense reports, tax documents, even just digitizing those old family photos.
It is. And, you know, here's another thought.
Yeah.
This feature isn't just about convenience. It's also about accessibility. For people with visual impairments, having documents in a digital format can be incredibly helpful.
Right.
They can use screen readers or other assistive technologies to access the information easily.
That's a great point. That's a really good point. It's a reminder that these AI-powered features aren't just about making our lives easier.
Right.
They're also about making technology more inclusive.
I love that. Making technology accessible for everyone.
Okay, last but not least, we have a feature that might raise a few eyebrows.
Oh, I'm intrigued.
But it's actually pretty cool. It's called cough and snore detection.
Cough and snore detection. Interesting. The feature that listens while you sleep.
But
before anyone gets worried about privacy, it's important to note that this feature doesn't actually record any audio.
It's not like it's sending your snores to the cloud.
No, not at all. It simply analyzes sound patterns to detect coughs and snores, which can be helpful for understanding your sleep quality.
It's all about providing you with insights.
Exactly.
It's not eavesdropping on your sleep.
No, the AI is trained to identify the specific sound frequencies associated with coughing and snoring. So it can accurately track those events without needing to record your actual voice.
And you can even combine this data with information from your Fitbit or other health trackers to get a more holistic view of your sleep patterns.
It's fascinating how AI is being used to give us a deeper understanding of our own bodies and behaviors, isn't it? And this is just the beginning. I think we're going to see even more AI-powered health and wellness tools in the future.
It's an exciting time to be alive, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So we've explored 6 pretty amazing AI-powered features on Pixel phones. From summarizing web pages to erasing background noise, to even tracking your snores.
Amazing.
These features are making Pixel phones more than just communication devices. They're becoming intelligent assistants that can help us navigate the complexities of modern life.
Absolutely. And that's a key takeaway here.
Yeah.
These features are a testament to the power of AI to solve real-world problems and make technology work better for us. And it's not just about making things faster or more efficient. It's about making them more human-centered.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Human-centered technology.
Human-centered technology.
It has a nice ring to it.
Yeah, it does. And I think it speaks to the larger trend we're seeing with AI. It's not just about, replacing humans. It's about augmenting our abilities and helping us do things we couldn't do before.
Exactly. As we've been talking about all these features, I've been thinking about how seamlessly they integrate into our lives. It's not like we have to learn a whole new set of commands or anything. It's just intuitive.
It is.
Like an extension of our natural thought process.
I agree. It's like it just understands us better, you know?
Think about Circle to Search again. You're literally just doing what you would do in the real world. Point at something you're curious about.
Right.
But now your phone understands that gesture and takes action.
It's amazing.
That's powerful stuff.
It is.
It really is. And it makes me wonder, what other intuitive interactions will we see in the future?
Right.
I mean, if we can search by circling something, what's next?
It's exciting to think about, right?
Yeah.
Like voice commands that actually understand the nuances of human language.
Or AI that can predict our needs before we even know them.
Absolutely. Those are some great questions. Honestly, the possibilities are endless.
Endless.
As AI continues to evolve, I think we'll see technology become even more personalized and responsive to our individual needs and preferences.
It's almost like our phones are becoming extensions of ourselves. They're learning our habits, anticipating our needs, and helping us navigate the world in a more efficient and enjoyable way.
I completely agree. It's an exciting time to be witnessing this technological revolution unfold.
Yeah.
And it's not just about smartphones either.
Right.
We're seeing AI being integrated into everything, from cars to homes to healthcare.
Oh, yeah.
It's truly transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us.
Well, folks, that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the AI-powered features of Pixel phones.
That was fun.
We've covered a lot of ground today, explored some incredible innovations, and hopefully sparked some thought-provoking conversations.
I hope so.
It has been a pleasure sharing these insights with you, all of you out there listening.
Absolutely. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you're eager to learn even more about these features, be sure to check out that Google keyword blog post and the YouTube video we mentioned. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.